Snow was gone. I mean, 24 hours ago, there was nothing but yellow or almost green grass out here. And I tell you, folks, it's not a lot of snow, but it's still damn depressing. I can't stand it. I really can't. I hate winter. I hate the snow. I hate the cold. I hate it here. And when I look out and see this, all I want to do is close the door and sit back down at the engineering desk and go shopping and spend some money. Figure out what we need and then go shopping. So that's what we're doing. We're doing a bit of shopping here at RPM, a little engineering, and we're hoping that things will start to change here quickly. We're almost done with February. We're halfway through, another 10 days, and when we're through, I'm hoping things will just start to change. Pray for global warming. We're all about global warming. I'm all for having a beachfront house, you know. But that's it. That's all we got for you on the 18th. Just looking to get some things figured out and get the parts and pieces here. Again, thanks to Dave out in California. Sent us these cool wheels. He bought them, mounted them up with some tires and stuff. Took his cart to, it was an old twin engine cart to Daytona to run it. And probably just set himself up with a bunch of different spare wheels and tires. And didn't end up using them. They haven't even been bolted to the cart. So not a bad gig. We got a good deal on those. So that's it. To John in Concord, North Carolina, get this stuff packaged up and get us a price, bro. We need to get going. Godspeed. God bless y'all. We're praying for you. It'll get better.